everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, or I should say Carolyn and her very funky pants. So I have to say, I originally saw these pants when Laura from Little Box of Happy got them in a Wantable, and I kind of liked them, and I wasn't wanting to order a whole Wantable box because it's always a crapshoot with them, and with all these styling boxes. You know, it's like you have all these items on your wish list, you even, your note asks for them, and then you don't get them. So I did a little research to find out who else sold these pants, and they were being sold by Nordstrom's, and I believe I got them for $88, which was the full retail price. It's not, they weren't cheap, let's just put it that way. They weren't on sale, and I finally bit the bullet and ordered them because they were literally down to just two sizes left, two left in my size. So I wanted to grab them, and I did, and I have to say, they are funky. I knew they were funky when I saw them, and you know, I saw them on her. They didn't look quite as funky. Online they look funky, and they're even funkier in person. So they are a kick crop flare. At least that's what they're supposed to be. They are, I'm looking at this. This is black. Yeah, it looks to me like black, and then there's that burnt orange in them. And they're just a pull-on style. They have the two faux pockets here in front. They are Liverpool. I got them in my 0/25, which is my typical size. We're going to have to see how these look on me because and they're a ponte knit, to let you know. They're a thick ponte knit stretch. You know, I have to see how they look on me and whether I feel confident and cute in them, or do I feel horrible in them? So it's really going to depend on that feeling I get when I put them on. So give me a minute while I style these up. Okay, got the pants on, and I absolutely love them. And I know this is not everyone's cup of tea. These are funky, and I love them. They bring a smile to my face. So I paired it with this typical Stitch Fix Mia back detail sweater. I know everybody freaking has a sweater in one color or another, and they are a perfect match for these pants. Now, I can't tell if this is navy or black, but I don't care. I'm wearing my black loafers with it. They're like a thick ponte knit, so super soft, super stretchy, and they're that kick flare style, so they come just to my ankle. I guess if you're a little bit taller than me, they'd probably be about an inch higher. So yeah, these are a keeper. I don't really have anything quite as like this in my closet. Probably the closest I have are these crazy pants that I got, was it last year? They're by Sanctuary. I also got them, these from a Stitch Fix. They're a houndstooth, and they're like a wide leg, a bell bottom, like a boot, wide boot. So they're a little bit different than the kick crop, plus they're houndstooth and not this crazy plaid. And I have these from Sanctuary, which are plaid, but these are obviously a spring soft plaid color pant, and I don't have anything crazy like this. So these are a keeper. I think these are a lot of fun, and I am going to be enjoying wearing these this fall. They're going to put a smile on my face when I wear them, and I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but these to me are funky pants that I like. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. And take care, and until next time.